Namaskar. It is my pleasure to introduce you to our coming program, Building Intelligent Healthcare Analytics. COVID-19 has given a massive fill-in to analytics in healthcare sector. It is not that healthcare sector was not using analytical tools earlier, just that the use of analytics has become more pronounced and urgent after the emergence of this disease. Today, many hospitals are computerized, leading to an abundance of patient data, sensor data from electronic instruments, claims and cost data from insurance companies, inventory and drug data from pharmaceutical industry, and HR data. Machine learning and deep learning techniques offer a way to amalgamate this distributed data, explore it from different perspectives, and make sense out of it, and finally make useful predictions. In our course, we handle many types of cases. Some case studies pertain to clinical problems, some to pharmaceutical and research challenges, then others to patient behavior or insurance and costs. The program is broadly divided into 4 modules. Module 1 introduces students to healthcare and its multiple aspects. Module 2 is regarding a host of digital technologies being used in this sector. Modules 3 and 4 focus on analytics. Our modules on machine learning and AI techniques are totally hands-on and practice-based. We'll be teaching as also interacting with students in real time. No pre-recorded videos. We execute together a number of projects. All our data is from real-world cases. We follow a hybrid approach to learning. We know that some students do not find themselves comfortable with learning a computer language. Moreover, most students find that a computer language can be learnt up to some point, and beyond that, they find that language becomes so complex that it takes the focus away from the main objective of performing predictive analytics. We pay attention to it in our modules. We begin with using 3 graphical user interface based tools, or what is called virtual frameworks. These are KNIME, H2O.ai, and Deep Learning Studio. All are highly reputed tools in machine learning community. We use Deep Learning Studio for deep learning. KNIME and H2O.ai excel in machine learning techniques. These frameworks make understanding data and developing models very easy. Drag and drop a widget on work area, connect it with other widgets, configure it to develop a workflow, and start executing. There is no programming, none at all. Depending upon the comfort level of students, we'll introduce them to Python and use it in ML data exploration and modeling. Python is one of the important languages in the toolbox of ML and AI. It is easy to learn. All in all, we do not want to make this program stressful for you. Relax and learn many important techniques to understand, slice and dice data in different ways, and use it to make reasonably good predictions. Thank you. See you in the class. Thank you.